So Pete, real good job getting up here. That was some rough terrain back there, huh? Was that steep? Coming up there, and that water crossing? First time on your 50? Well, second day. So tell me about this 50. Where's your clutch, Pete?
Wait.
There is no clutch, is there? That's a trick question. There's no clutch. So where's your front brake? Show me your front brake. Right there. Okay, good. Now where's your rear brake? Right here. Okay, and how do you start this thing?
Well, sometimes you got there's a key, and if the switch is up, you gotta switch down. And then you take this out like that, and then push it down, and it'll get started, and then you gotta put it into at least gear 1 or 2.
And so where is neutral on that shifter?
It's at the very bottom.
That's right. And then where's first gear?
First is up 1.
Okay. And second?
Second is up 2.
Good. All right. Have you tried third gear yet, Pete?
No.
No, we haven't got going that fast. Second's pretty darn fast, huh? Very good. All right, and what's this thing called, Pete?
A Honda motorcycle.
Honda CRF 50. Yeah, 50 cc's. Very good. We got the throttle lock off and Pete's rolling on it. Let's go find some more trails, Pete. I know a bunch more way down here. Oh, jeez. He's real good at going. It's the stopping suddenly that bites him in the ass. Look, look. Didn't stop, huh? We need to adjust it. Let's try it again. Go take it back up there. Good, lock them up. Good. There's something about gas power that just gets a kid going more than electric. Lock them up! Front brake, good! That's much better. Good, good, good. Remember, you can stand up when it gets like this. Now I want you to fire up that uphill and then wait for me at the leveled off part. Right up there, okay? You go first. No, 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 over here, Pete. Come back. He's gonna do it the hard way. Piece of cake. Wow. He's never been down this trail. He doesn't know where these turns are. It gets sharp up here. Yeah, that's good. Good. We're gonna go this way on out here. Good job, Pete. Good. Want a soda? Here. Gotta share that with me. What's that, Pete?
Where are we?
We're about 5 miles away from home. We got 5 miles of trail riding in. We got 5 miles to go back. So, Pete, tell me about your, is this your first motorized motorcycle?
Mm-hmm.
Gas-powered? And tell me about the first thing you rode as a child.
Like motorcycle kind
No,
of thing?
no, the very first thing on 2 wheels.
Was it that scooter thingy?
The Strider.
Yeah, the Strider.
The red Strider, right? And so that was a balance bike, wasn't it? And then from that you went straight to
Pedals.
pedal bike? Cruises, old pedal bike?
Yeah.
No training wheels, right?
Yeah, no training.
No training wheels. And then you got that black red line bicycle?
Yeah. And then the offset, the small one.
That's right.
And then we got the bigger one, the bigger size.
Mm-hmm.
But Joanne was growing out of it, but she already grew out of the new one.
Mm-hmm.
Well, now we have this.
Mm-hmm.
The Honda.
So does that make it all a pretty easy transition? And I think the no training wheels helps as well, because on the offset you learn to balance really well, right? And of course the Strider as well. Well, good. I wish somebody would have taught me how to ride motorcycles growing up, because I had to learn on my own, and that stunk. You're really lucky. So I was never allowed to have motorcycles. Are you getting a little tired yet? A little bit? You've been bugging me to go ride the motorcycle all day, huh? Is it pretty fun? You don't know what those are? Manzanita. Yeah. It's everywhere. Daddy can. Down you go. Whee! Good job. Good, made it down that gnarly old hill. Go down there to the gate. Good. That's steep. You made it. You tired now? That was a good long trail ride. 10 plus miles. Come here, Pete. Give me a high five. Come here. All right. CRF 50. And Pete. You just get his gear on and off. I'll help you with that. And sponsored by Santa Barbara Chocolate, Santa Barbara, California, Giant Loop Moto, Bend, Oregon, Sierra Motorsports, Grass Valley, California, and all my patrons on Patreon. Thank you for your support.